Okay, so welcome everybody. I am Payal Mukherjee. I am working as a project manager, a senior project manager at FOSSI IT Bombay. And we are all here today to attend a demo session on how to make the submission and how to prepare ourselves better. And we also have a small demo on Synfig Studio. So first of all, let us understand what is FOSSI and why we are here. So the word FOSSI stands for Free and Open Source Software for Education. You can see double E because when the project was launched in the initial phase, it was only for the engineering students. Hence, it was FOSSI, the Free and Open Source Software for Engineering Education. But now it is open for all the streams of education, including animation, as you can see today. We have, we also have some software that supports the field of GIS. We also have a software that supports statistics, applied mathematics, physics, everything. So apart from the core engineering subjects such as aerospace, mechanical, chemical, steel industry, etc., we also support open source hardware also. So apart from that, FOSSI is also into hardcore, software that supports streams other than engineering education. Okay. So, and the word free or liber stands not only for the software being free of cost, the software being available free of cost. So this free and liber actually has an association with many more things. For example, you can actually download a software free of cost, and it comes with the licenses like BSD and GPL. So legally, it is you can use a software which comes under the FOSS category, and you can also modify the code of the software. You can distribute the software for free, and you can also distribute the modified version of the software all free, all for free. So it is not only the financial aspect of being free; it is a liberation in many other senses. Okay, so we call it a floss or a FOSS. And we are all working for a mission known as NME ICT, the National Mission on Education through ICT. And our vision is to empower the students of India, and bring and raise their level so that they are capable of producing an output using the knowledge that we impart to them. Okay, for example, a student comes to us, we impart a knowledge, or they actually get the training on that software, and they use that training to produce an output in the form of a project. In a maybe that project may be a completed animation, that project may be a completed simulation on electronics, it can be a completed case study project for example, of the CFD field, or the steel industry field, or the open source hardware field. So FOSSI has a big repository wherein all such products, all such projects are listed. And those projects are not contributed by the employees of FOSSI, but those projects are contributed by the students whom FOSSI trains. So FOSSI is a project which is very different from any other project or any other education institutions, which actually focuses on the theory part, and then they have an examination, and practical aspect is there, but not as much as FOSSI has. So FOSSI's mandate is to impart hands-on training so that you can actually when you use the knowledge to produce something. That's what the vision of FOSSI is. And that's what the vision of NME ICT is. And that's why we are funded by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. So it's a flagship project of the Government of India, and it's also a unique project in the whole world, because in no other country the government supports the free and open source software, the FOSS community, as much as the Indian government does. And the FOSSI was established way back in 2009. And because it is of a national importance, this project is of a national importance, and we are boosting education, we are boosting employability of the students. We are sustaining till now. Okay, and we hope to flourish in future. Okay, so I talked about the training that we impart. We talked about the skill-based education that we focus on. Okay, and in the next slides, I'll come to how we impart this training. So in all these slides, you can see the software, the list of software that FOSSEE supports. Scilab is a numerical computational software, which is an FOSS alternative of a very well-known software, MATLAB. Okay, so Scilab has the same capabilities, and Scilab is actually better in some aspects of the people who use Scilab know it. Okay, Python is a very basic and very well used programming language, which is used by the academia as well as the corporate people. eSIM is a PDA is a simulation software for the electronics and electrical field. It has a vast application in biomedical field and many other fields related. So FLOSS Arduino and PLC, Open PLC, it is not listed here, but it is a part of FLOSS Arduino project only. So those are for open source hardware. OSDAG is for the steel industry, steel structure. DWSIM and Open Modeler for the chemical engineering people. SOL is for the school students, school project. R is for the statistical analysis software. QGIS for the geological system mapping. Focal is where we deal with the animation part of FOSSEE. So we have 2D, 3D animation, and we give the training through internships, fellowships, and also competitions like this. So through these kind of hackathons and competitions, you actually gain the knowledge of how to use the software, and then you produce an output. Okay, so Focal is there. OpenFOAM is a software that is used by the CFD industry, the computational fluid dynamics industry, for the mechanical, aerospace, chemical fields of engineering. Okay, so all these software are supported by FOSSEE. There are many more. We also have FreeCAD. Recently, we have added it. So I'll not go through this slide in details. You can just scroll. You can just go through this slide and see the commercial alternatives of all the FOSS, the free and open source software that we support. Okay, so if you are from the engineering background, you will know the name of the software and the commercial alternatives. So here you can see, I'll just take this upload. Yeah, so Synfig Studio is a software that you will use in this hackathon. It is a FOSS alternative of a very well-known software, Adobe After Effects and Flash. Blender is a FOSS alternative for 3D Max and Maya. Okay, so let me proceed with the next slides. So here you can see that FOSSEE supports the training through all these programs. We have summer fellowship, we have semester-long internship, winter internship, and all the other things that you are reading in this slide. For example, flow sheeting project is for DWSIM, case study, circuit simulation. These are all outputs or projects that are used in the other verticals of FOSSEE, not for the focal vertical. So for focal, we only have the summer fellowship, but Focal is open for contribution, for accepting your participation throughout the year. Okay, and how you can participate, my colleague Kushal will let you know in the later stages of this session. So with this, I stop my presentation and I hand over this session to my colleague Kushal. Okay. Just a second, how to stop presenting? Okay, so is my screen sharing being stopped?
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. Yes, so Kushal, over to you. You can start the demonstration.
Yes. So am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes.
So people who have joined late, if you have any questions for me at the end of the session, we will have an interaction. The Q&A session we will have, then we can I can address all your queries.
Yes. So good afternoon. Yes. Good afternoon. So now here I will show you a demo. That demo is how to submit your animation. So already you understand this is an open source software animation hackathon. So that's why you have to use only open source softwares only to complete your animation. So for that, Synfig Studio is for 2D animation, and Blender is using for 3D animation. So I am not showing any PPT. I will give you a direct demo. So please check that. So now I am sharing you my screen. So okay. So are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes, Kushal.
Okay. So let me minimize this. So I am opening this. This is our Animate 2025 website. So here, whenever you are doing your animation, first you check the submission. So how to submit that? So if you are going to use a Blender, then you are doing a animation in 3D. If you are using Synfig Studio, then you are going to create your animation 2D animation. So you have to share with us that Blender file also if you are doing Blender 3D, and if you are doing Synfig Studio, then you have to send your Synfig Studio file which is editable, which you are doing, and with that supportive files also you have to send to us. Not only the output file, you have to send that JPEG font file or anything you are used in that animation. So after that you have to create one Google Drive and you put all your folder there. So how to this process is going on, I will share you one demo. So now you see this is my desktop. So here I am going to create one folder directory. So this is a new folder I creating here, and suppose I have 4 team members in my team and my name is Kushal. So I am as a team leader. I am placing the name for this directory is a team Kushal. Okay. So now I created one directory team Kushal, and in that folder you can see there is nothing. This is a blank folder. So here you have to put all your files, and that folder you have to share on Google Drive. So one by one I will show you. Now we will take one of the example that suppose I am team member and I have 4 member in my team and I am a team leader. So what I will do, I will first select my theme. So let's check one our website once again. So you can click here on theme. So you see there are 6 different kind of themes are there. For Synfig Studio 2D theme there are 3 subject is there, and for Blender 3D there are 3 subject are there. So suppose journey of hero, cultural celebration, natural sympathy, symphony is there. So suppose this time I am going to create one animation on nature symphony. That is my subject. You choose yourself. So for demo purpose I am selecting this topic. So what I will do, for this nature symphony category I am going to create one 2D animation. So this is my theme which I selected now. After that what I will do, I will create one text file, or you can see you can create one doc file. So here I already created one doc file, so that I will copy. I will copy this and I will put this in my folder. So you have to create and create this document. So what is in that document I will show you. So I will open this. So now you see in this document my name is Kushal, and these are my members 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 4 members are there. So in the document I written my name and after my 4 members. Suppose there is a no member, then just you have to put your name only. And after that I write it here nature symphony. This is my category, theme category, and this is my title climate change. Okay. And after that I will create one small narration for that. So this is my narration. One day I was passing this area and so and so, and here this 4 paragraph is my narration for my story. So that way that narration I will record through my mobile or whatever, whichever device you have available, you record that, and that is my story's narration. So here I recorded one narration that I will show you. So this is my recording. I will copy this. Already I created. So for time save, I will paste it here. Now I will play this recording to show you what I recorded. Let me open. One day I was passing this area where that greenery is everywhere. Are you able to hear? By a blazing air,
Yes, sir.
it gave me a fresh feeling. After next year, I was passing by the same area, but this time I am seeing trees are cutting down. Some trees are burning, and I am seeing some constructions are going. But this time I am feeling so much negative vibes in my mind. After next year, what I am seeing, there is just a sand, no greenery, and the hot air surrounding total climate change because of this kind of degradation of environment. This is a dangerous for our society. Let's reverse it back, save tree, plant tree, and make it green again. So this is my story, this is my narration which I recorded myself. So what is in that folder? This is my folder Team Kushal, and in that folder I write down one story, and after that I recorded one my narration. So story is there, narration is there in my folder. Okay. So can you see? Uh, yes, you see what is in that story that I narrated myself. So I save this file. Okay. Now in my folder there are two files are there. One is a recording which I myself in my voice. You can use AI also. You can use your voice also, and keep that recording as per your story. So after that, what I will do? After that, I will collect some images for that my animation, and I will create one storyboard. So now see what I did. So this is my storyboard. So let me open the storyboard. Is that okay? So now you see I used Inkscape software for creating a storyboard. So it is up to you. You can use any open source software, but it should be open source software, not proprietary software. Now you see, this is my storyboard. So in according to my story, there is scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3 are there. In scene 1, I will show a green area and my car is passing by. After in scene 2, what I will do, I will show some trees are burning out, some buildings construction will be there, and the area is giving a negative vibes, and my car is passing. After scene 3, what I will do, I will show there is sand, no water, no greenery is there, and my car is passing through. By showing this scene, and with my story narration, I will create an animation. So this is my storyboard. So you can sketch yourself also. I sketched here in my Inkscape, and that storyboard also I shared with me. So I will copy this storyboard. It is not necessary that you have follow all the procedure. It is up to you. If you are giving these files like a story, your storyboard, and your sound. So I will copy this first, and I will put it in paste. Now you see, I have a recording, I have a story, and I have a storyboard. Now I will collect some images for my storyboard. So I can create also all these images in Synfig Studio or Blender, which software you are using, or you can download, or you can create in Inkscape or any other software, and you use that by importing in Synfig Studio. So what I will do, I will show you. So now you see, these are the images I will copy. This is a road. This is a one image. I will show you only scene number 3 for time saving. So this image which I downloaded from Google, this image should be a free and open source image. There should not be a copyright image. Okay. So I collected all the images now and I kept in that folder. After that what I will do, after that I start to create an animation. So according to my storyboard, there are 3 scenes. So now I am doing third scene, and after that I will combine all the scene and I combine all whole animation and I will show. So let me open my Synfig Studio. So this is my Synfig Studio. So Synfig Studio is a free and open source software. It is using for 2D animation. So just now, for example, I am doing 2D animation. So this is a interface of Synfig Studio. Now I am saving this file in my folder. I will save this file. So on the desktop, which I created Team Kushal folder, and this is Synfig animation 1 already is there. So I will first project. It is up to you which name you are giving. I will save this file. So now you can see in my folder, first project is a Synfig Studio file already there. Recording is there. Road 3 means images are there. Story which I created, that is also there, and storyboard is also there. In same folder I kept all these things. Now I am making animation. Suppose these are the tool for the Synfig Studio. Whenever you select any tool, you can see your options, and after seeing the options, you draw a sketch or your character on the canvas. So this time I want to create one car. So I little bit zoom it. So now where you are comes to know how the Synfig Studio works and where you have to learn. So that I will show you. So in our animation this website, you can see a resources. Here on the resources, you can see self-learn Blender and Synfig Studio by using spoken tutorial. So this is a link of the spoken tutorial. Go there and learn the software. Basic, when you come to idea of the software, basic idea, you can create it. This is very easy softwares and free and open source. So I will show where is that. So this is a spoken tutorial website. On this spoken tutorial website, you see this is a Synfig Studio I selected and English, and I will search it. So now you can see there are 12 tutorials are there. These are tutorials are free. You can watch them. You can learn the Synfig Studio, and then you start to create your animation. In this way, you also learn Blender. So click it here, search for the Blender and search. Now you see there are 15 tutorials for the Blender Studio. So you watch this tutorial, learn yourself and make a 3D animation also. Okay. So comes to here. Now we are going to create a Synfig Studio animation. So what I will do, I already saved this file. Now I will import the images which I already collected from Google. Those are free and open source images. So now I am importing the one image. Just I import, and this is my road. I am creating scene number 3 now and import. So now you see I imported one image. So once I click that image, you will get a widget. So the brown, these are the dots. By dragging the dots, we can change the size, their rotations, and all the properties of the images, this image. So now I am increasing the size. So I select this and drag it like this. So you can see, and now I am moving by dragging this center green dot. So I kept it, this my image here. So I will double click it here on the layer. Once I imported, you can see on the layer panel, there is a layer created of the image. So now I am changing this road. So I renamed this layer as a road. Now I want to draw one car. So for that I am using one tool. this tool, a rectangle tool. So once I select a rectangle tool, you have to check the options for the rectangle. Now see, these are the options for the rectangle. So second option I selected. This is the first option. I click on it, it will deselect. If you select other option, you have to click like this. But for this time, I am selecting only second option. So this option I am selecting, I will zoom it little bit. Okay. You have to delete this layer which is created automatically. So now I will draw a shape. Yes. So I draw one rectangle. So this is a black rectangle I created. And now you see there are 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one is a green dot of the center of the rectangle. So I can move this rectangle by moving this dot. I can change the shape by moving the dots which is surrounding. I can click here, so I can on and off the uh, uh, handles. So now I am changing the shape. So this is one shape which I created. So that is okay. So this is my top part of my car. So I want to now draw a lower part for the car. So this time I will select polygon tool, and option is same, I kept second one. So it is up to you, you can use different tools also. So now I am drawing another shape. For polygon tool, whenever I click, the dot will be appear, and I will create a polygon by clicking the dots. Now here I will click like this. Yes. So this is my lower part of the car. So now you see there are 2 layers are there. One is a polygon layer, one is a rectangle layer. I will deselect this. While you deselecting, you have to click on the arrow tool, and after that you have to click outside of the canvas. So it will be deselect. Now there is no layer is selected. Now these are the 3 layers are there. So what I will do, I will group these 2 layer. So there is one option for grouping the layer, and I will rename that car. So now I have 2 layer, one is a road, one is a car. So when I click on this car layer, you will see one widget. I will reshape it by dragging like this. Now my car is, and I will move this car to here. And now I want to change the color of the car. Now I open that group. I will select this polygon. Now you see here is a one panel. This is a property panel. So in the property panel, color is black. I will double click on it. Now I will change the color to this red type car. So now this orange. Same color I want to keep for the top part. Select the layer, double click on the layer, and try to do a color like this one. Otherwise, what you have to do, you have to select the and check what is the color property. This is a color property. You can see the code for the color. Copy that color. Select the lower upper part. Double click on the and paste it here and press enter, so that I can get a same color for the top part also. Now these are already done. After that, I want to create wheel. For that, I will select circle tool. Now I will zoom it little. Now once I select this circle layer, you can see the options for the circle. So first option I selected this time, and I will draw one circle. Okay. So here is a circle. This is my wheel. I will put it here. You have to move the green dot. So now you see there are layers. Circle layer is in between of the two shape. So I will move this circle to upside. So for that, select this layer and move it up. So now my wheel is here. So once again, I want to create this wheel. So for that, I will click on this duplicate button. So you will see the second circle will created. So I will move this circle now from here to here. By moving, while moving, I press my shift button so that it will go aligned with the first one. So there are two wheels now. Now this is my car is complete. Let me close this group. Okay. So this is my car. So once again, I will decrease the size of my car. This time wheel also attached with this, and now I kept my car here outside of the canvas. So now you see we will making a animation. So at a 0 frame, my car is at here at this position. When you want to create animation, you have to click here this turn on animate editing mode button. Once I click it here, you can see the red box is around the surrounding this canvas. That means recording is started, animation is started. So now at the 0 frame, my car is at this place. Now I will move this my car at 48 frame. I click it here. This is a timeline. I move my cursor on 48 frames. You can see this is a 48 frame. You can type also 0 frame and press enter. Now you see my time cursor is at 0 frame. If I want to put it on 48, I will press 48 and press enter. So you see my time cursor is now at 48. Now this time I will move my car towards the left side. That's all. So now you see once I do that, in the timeline you see there are waypoints are created. One waypoint is at 48, another waypoint is at 0 frame. So there are two waypoints. In between that, the animation is done. So let me play, let me save this file first. So I saved this file. Now I will check my preview. This is the preview button. I click it, and for that 24 frame, and my end time will be 48 frame. Now I will see my preview. So once you render it, you see my car is moving from right to left. In this way, I created my scene number 3. So after that, what we have to do? I have to render this. So now I am rendering. So suppose this is my scene 3, SCENE, scene 3 dot AVI. I have to put like this, and I have to select the target FFmpeg. Quality will be, this time I keep my quality 5. You can keep 8, 9. And now what will be the time? Time will be 48 frames. Okay. So this is a end time is 48 frames. So whatever is now rendering, this is 0 to 48 frame. So now it is rendering now. Let it be render. Done. Now file render successfully. Now you can see in my folder. So in scene number 3 is rendered already. So this is my first project file, and I rendered scene 3. So let me play this. So you see, this is my scene number 3. In this way, according to my storyboard, I have to create a 3 scene. So I already created one scene. Okay. Scene number 3 I created. So after that, what you have to do? All scene you have to create. Scene number 1, 2, 3, and my recording is also there. You also download any music for your animation, and you combine all these and make a final video, and you have to send that video with these files. So now I am going to create combine all these files. So for that I have one open source software. You can combine here also in Blender video editor also. I will use another open source software. This is called OpenShot video editor. This is for video editing. So no need to use this software also. If you are doing Synfig Studio, you can create scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, one after other. You can import that recording there also, and you can create a final video from Synfig Studio also. Okay. Here also you can import your recording. So let me show you how to import that recording. Import. This is my let me close this. No, minimize this. This is my open source open video editor. I will import all the files from my document. This is Team Kushal folder. I will import this recording. This is audio. I will import the scene which I created from Synfig Studio. Now I will combine all these things. So scene 1, 2, 3, recording, music, all you have to import here. So now I am keeping this my recording here, scene 1 here, scene 2, scene 3, one by one, and this is my recording, and I will play. One day I was okay. So I can zoom it also. I will put here scene 1, suppose scene 2, scene 3. How many scenes are there? You have to put there, and all the recording is here. One day I was passing this area where that greenery is everywhere, and my car is passing. So after that, you have to final video you have to create from this. So I will go here, export the project, export the video. And suppose this is my video is, and I will export the video. And this file also same folder. So in the desktop, Team Kushal folder, select the folder, and now final video and export. So now this final video is exporting. So what we did one by one, I will show you. First I will create a story. After that I will create a storyboard. After that I created my sound recording. After that I collected the images. After that I collected some music also, and I created animation in Synfig Studio, and I am combining all these scenes here in OpenShot editor. It is done. Now you will see in Team Kushal, you see the final video is also there, and this is my final video. Now I will play. One day I was passing this area where that greenery is everywhere, and my car is passing by a blazing. So in this way I completed my video, so animation. So this folder now you have to put in your Google folder. So suppose this is my drive, and here you have to upload this folder. So now I am uploading this folder here. Let me upload. So now I am uploading this folder here. Click on my drive first. Now you see this is my drive folder. Now here I will folder upload, and team Kushal, this is my folder, and I am uploading and upload. Now you will see uploading is started. You see there are 1 to 7 files are uploading at once. Yes, it is done. Now you see where is my folder, team Kushal. Yes, this is a folder. Now you share this link to me, copy a link, okay, and this link you have to send to the email contact dash focal @fossee.in. That link you have to share on this email so that I can download all your files. Now you see in the shared folder, I got a storyboard, I got a story, I got scenes, all your scenes, I got images which you are collected, I got your recording, and I got your final video, and also I got a Synfig Studio file, editable file. These all files should be needed for evaluation. Only you, so many people are only sending only video. They are not sending all the related files. So we can't evaluate that. So that's why I am taking this workshop. In this way, go one by one and collect all the files and send it to me for evaluation purpose. Understand? So if you have any questions, now ask me. Hello? Good day.
Hello, good evening, sir.
You can ask me.
Yes, sir, this is from Zidan side. Actually, from spoken tutorials, we have seen and learned how to use Synfig. And then we have finally created an entry and submitted also.
Yes.
And exactly what we have shown in the workshop, we did that only. But yesterday we got the mail that there will be a final submission. So now what we have to do, like we have to again create it and send?
No. Oh, once you created already in
Yes.
this way, then means your submission is collected by our
Final.
team. That is final. So you
Okay.
don't have to do anything else.
Yes. Okay.
So,
One more thing, like in the workshop, you told about the story and narration. So
yes.
is that compulsory?
No, it is up to you. If you are
Okay.
sending us a story, so
Okay.
we can come to conclusion that this is your story and you made this animation. Suppose
Okay.
you
Okay.
without story you are sending,
Okay.
that also preferable, because while we are seeing your animation, we can comes to know what your story is there.
Okay. Okay. And one more thing, in the it is mentioned like it has to be 60 to 80 seconds something. But is that be considered if it made for only 10 seconds?
No. Your animation should be duration should be max
60,
3 minutes.
max 3 minutes.
Yes, suppose your animation completed within a 1 minute. So that is depends on your creativity. Suppose you are creating one animation 4 minutes, then it is not okay. You have to reduce it and make it 3 minutes, not more than 3 minutes.
Okay, okay. Now, what if it's what in Synfig it was like mentioned 60 to 80 180 seconds, like whatever 3 minutes. So if it is beyond 60 seconds, so it will be disqualified. The entry will be disqualified.
No. Suppose now this is your sorry. Let me share my screen. Where is that?
Because to create for three
Wait, wait.
minute animation,
Yes, yes, yes.
like at the first with learning and then creating, it's a little difficult for the students and
So,
for the
so that's
creator.
why what I did here, I created a storyboard, because
Yes,
if you are doing 3 minutes video, na, so it is
yes,
difficult for first time, na. So
yes.
for that you create a one story, then you think about what should be in my storyboard. So you
Okay,
make a small chunking of the clips.
okay.
So I showed you scene number one,
Yeah, yeah,
scene number
whatever
two,
you showed,
scene number two.
being a first timer also, what even you created, it was only hardly for like 10 seconds only, whatever
Yes.
you created. And whatever being we as a first timer, what we created, given the best and making for 10 seconds also, it was a long journey.
Mm. Yes, yes,
So
understand.
that's
So
what, so that's what I'm asking, that is it compulsory to make for 60 to 3 or like 1 to 3 minutes?
no, not it is not compulsory. If your
Okay.
story is within that
Period of time.
duration you
Mm-hmm.
completed, then that is okay. Now
Okay.
here see, I recorded my voice. What
Yes.
is my recording voice property is around
45 seconds it was.
1.22 MB. So
Okay.
let me check what is the duration of my recorded voice. Yes. So this is the timing of my voice recording, and this time recording will be 52 seconds.
52 seconds, yes.
So
But
that means,
your animation was the same car was moving again and again.
so
Uh,
I just showed a demo,
Showed a
but
demo, yeah.
just a demo. But what I will do, in first scene, I will make my scene longer,
Longer.
up to where there my narration is there. What was
Okay,
my
okay.
narration? Suppose my narration was, uh, suppose this is my story. Okay. So in that story, first stanza was first paragraph is be one day I was this much. So
Okay.
how much this duration will be there? So my
Mm-hmm.
first scene will be appear that much period. My
Okay.
second scene appear from this to this, and my third scene will appear this to this, means up to this, and last scene will be I will overall make my scene and fulfill all the part of the scene,
Okay.
that
But the duration
narration.
depends depends upon the frame. Like you used till 48 frame, so it went up to 52 seconds.
Yes, yes,
So what we use till to increase the time. Actually, we were not able to do it, so we increased to
yes.
200 frame.
Hmm.
But that also made till 10 seconds only. It was the time was not, the duration was not increasing beyond that.
Yes, because you not learned the software from the spoken tutorial. If you want to increase your duration, here is the
Okay,
canvas. In the canvas, there is a property. In the property, there is a time. Now here,
time, yeah.
120
Yes,
frame
yes,
is only. Suppose
yes,
I
yes.
want to make a 3 minutes animation, then
Okay,
what will be the timing? 3 into 3 minutes. 1 minute means 60 seconds.
180.
180 second I have to need, and
So what frame you will use?
24 frame into 180.
24 frame. So what will be the time here? End time will be, because
And
it is in the input is 120 only.
yes, yes. So in the calculator, so 24 frames into 180. So what is that?
So,
4320. So I will
okay,
make it here 4320. That's all, and apply.
okay,
So now you can see this my Synfig Studio now 4320 frames will be
okay,
there. So I can increase my now you will see I will increase my time up to here. So
okay.
now this is 192.
Hmm.
Beyond that also I can move my scene. Now you will see my cars will very slowly going
Slowly moving. Correct, correct.
up to that much frame.
No, that's what up from 192 frame. Now it's not going beyond that. Like
Uh,
what we used to till 200 frame only we can use it. So
yes,
by using also 200 frame, it was made till 10 seconds only. The animation was moving slowly, but it went up till 10 seconds only.
yes, yes. For that you have to increase your frame rate, frame time. That's all.
Okay, we will try that, sir. We'll try that.
And if
Okay.
suppose you have such a kind of any problems, na, you have to ask to me, contact the dash at the focal.in. So
Okay.
one student yesterday, she asked me, she is not rendering properly AVI files. So
Okay.
he asked me, I showed her how to do that. That's
Okay, okay. No, that all was there in the spoken tutorials. We have
yes,
seen in
already is
all the
there.
videos, everything is there.
Yes,
By going detailing everything, we get the information in that only spoken tutorials.
yes, yes,
Again, thank you so much. It was a good learning from the Synfig, and we will use in the later school projects also.
yes,
And it is a good platform. Hope to have a good from Synfig, and thank you so much.
yes, yes. So, so we are trying to by doing such a hackathons, uh, to encourage the people to use this kind of a software, open source software, and make their animations for their education purpose also.
Okay, thank you for that, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
anything, any questions again?
Yes, sir. Namaskar, sir.
Yes, बोलिए.
Uh, sir, is it necessary to create the characters, or we can take like we have learned in the spoken tutorials about cutouts, animating with the bone, and these all? Can we use them also?
Yes, perfect. You can use that also, or otherwise I can told you ki you can download AI images also. You can create one character through AI, generate
Okay.
one of the character from AI, download it.
Okay.
You can import it in Synfig Studio, and you can cut out it, and you can use that also.
Okay. Thank you.
But it should be a free and open source. No copyright issue will be there.
Okay.
And you can increase your timeline,
Thank you, sir.
or if you don't able to increase the frame rates, then make a small clips, combine all these things, and create a whole longer video
Yes, sir.
according to your story.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyone? And recording will be we will put on our website, so you can watch also, you if you forgot something. And if you have any question, you can directly send the mail to contact dash focal@fossee.in. So I can give you an answer, I can guide you also. So now we are extending the submission timeline only. Registration is over now. We are going to close the registration part, and only the people who are registered till now, we are giving them a time of 15 days more, because I got so many submissions, only I got only output only. No, many people are not sent. So for that we took this workshop just now. So they will comes to know that how to prepare all their submission at one place and how to send it for the evaluation. Are you understand?
But sir, how will come to know that everything has been whatever the thing is required is been sent? Because when we send the entry, we got a mail from your side. Actually, you only sent us something was missing.
Yes.
Then we send it back again, and then we got an acknowledgement from also from you. So we should consider that it is final and nothing has been missing from it.
If something is missing, then our team who are going to evaluate, na. So
Yes.
suppose you used 5 images in your Synfig Studio animation. While
Yes.
importing, you are not sending one of the image. So
Mm-hmm.
when we are opening here at our place,
Mm-hmm.
we are can't get your link file. So
Correct.
we will contact you ki something is missing. Please
Correct.
send.
Correct.
So once you
Oh,
send, then we will consider it is.
okay. Actually, we got the final acknowledgement from your side.
Yes, yes.
So we are considering that yes, it's totally done and nothing has been missing out.
So if something is missing, we
Then
will
you will let us
contact.
know.
Yes, yes. We will
Okay,
contact.
okay. And sir, by till what date or time we are expecting the results? It will
Uh,
be announced on the mail or to the school or
yes, yes. Understand. So what we will do, now we are extending our submission timeline only, because
okay.
many submissions are uncompleted submissions, because they worked hard, but they don't know what should we send, or they missing something, just you said like that they send incompleted animation. So we have to tell them ki you please send proper
Okay.
channel, proper files, so we can evaluate. So for
Okay.
that we are giving deadline 15 days extension for the
Okay.
doing this. After that we start to evaluate. It will take maybe 15 days once, that means 1 month. After 1 month you will get a results. Our
Okay.
judges will be there, they will finalize and they will watch the animations and they will select the winner, second winner, like this, and after that we will announce our result on our website.
It will be
It
on the
will take
website.
on this same website.
Same website.
On same website
Okay.
we will announce a result. These are the animations who got the selected and these are the animation who got the good animations, and these are the results.
Okay. So that for that we have to search like on the website
Yes, yes,
after like a
you have
period of
to.
time,
Yes,
or
it
we
will
will
take.
be informed.
Yes, yes, once result will be there, then again you will got a mail, results are declared and please
Okay.
check the website.
Yeah, that would be easy. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, anything? So if not,
Um,
so we
Sir,
can.
I have a query. Good evening,
Yes,
sir. Sir, I submitted my project on July 18th, so can I re-update it and resubmit it?
perfectly, you can re-update also, and once you re-update, send the mail ki this is my final submission.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Now, there is a question in the chat box.
Chat box.
Yeah, oh, the same question he asked actually, Utkarsh.
And please once again I will tell you, use only open source software, do not use proprietary software, and use the images which are only free and open source. So how to select the images, you know that, should I show you how to do that?
I think yes. If you show them, it's better because it is getting recorded also. So people who will receive
So
the
I am
recording later.
sharing my screen. So this is google.com. Okay, are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
So when you want to some images, then this is google.com, then click on here images. Once you click it here, so whatever you want to you give it prompt here. Suppose I want to search trees with the road. Okay, once I click it here, you will see there are a lot of images, but don't use any image. You have to go first more in the tool, and there is one option, use as right. Here you have to select Creative Common license. Once you click that, now these are the images which you can download and use, because these are free images, means there is a common license images. This Creative Common license. Okay. So one I will show you down for downloading. So suppose this one I will select. So here you can see download free photo, and you check also is there is a license or not license. So this is the license detail is here also. So this is public domain, Creative Common. So this image you can use. So how to use now? Right click and open this image in new tab. Let me once again do right click, open image in new tab. So it is downloaded already. Now you see, I downloaded that image. So this image is Creative Common image. You can use that. Understand? Just use Creative Common license image. Okay. Now are you able to understand how to download the free images? If you have any questions, you send me the mail. And maybe tomorrow we will update on our website the submission date extension. Anything? So exactly in what date we have to submit? So it will be extending up to 15 days next. So you can say 15 August is a last date for the submission. 15th August will be okay. Payal, is this okay?
Yeah, I think we can wind up. Any questions for any other FOSS if you want?
Send you
just,
the email ID
you
also.
can just send an email to this website, this email ID.
Contact that focal at the rate.
Contact focal, no, I mean the whole FOSSI thing.
This is
Contact focal, yeah. info@FOSSI. info@FOSSI is for the whole FOSSI thing.
yes.
Okay, then should we wind up?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you everybody for
Thank you.
joining. Yeah, thanks for this.